Hi there, my name is Jason Liu from Florida International University. So here I'm trying to demonstrate is the Primo GENI project, which we've done for less of 3 years. And so the product is for sort of to enable hybrid simulation, emulation, and the sort of live traffic together, and in the GENI framework. So what we've been doing is actually running sort of real-time simulations, or simulation in real time of a large system, a large network, and together with some emulated systems where you can run sort of unmodified application, network applications onto the system. So what I'm trying to demonstrate right now is running a particular network, and where I'm actually going to stream data and downloading data all together. So what we have right now is it's a network. So as you can see here, this is a network. It's an experiment. Probably consists about 1,000 nodes. And what we are doing here is you can see. So these hexagons are I believe they are subnets. And these are routers, and the rectangles are hosts where you can actually run applications. In particular, the small rectangles are actually simulated hosts running sort of web servers, whatever you can have. And these bigger rectangles are actually emulated hosts. What it means that is actually Primo GENI can instantiate virtual machines and be able to generate traffic and tunnel data from this simulated network, which is running in real time. So what I'm demonstrating right now, actually just about to finish, I can start it again, is I'm actually running on this machine. This is a sort of a native command shell, which actually dialed into this experiment using a VPN connection. So what it means that this machine is sort of functioning as one of these nodes. Probably you can see this is the open VPN node. So when I sort of log on to the experiment, what I can do right now is actually interact with the rest of the system or simulated or emulated hosts on the network. So what I'm doing here is I'm running a sort of a streaming client where I'm actually going to download a video piece from one of the hosts, is probably here, which is actually connected to a real machine. So I'm going to start it now. So it's actually going to start the video. And as you can see, what's going on here is actually traffic is generated from this host, which is actually, as I said, outside this experiment, and actually streaming data into this particular node, which I'm actually showing this particular video. And of course, I can do other things. For example, like if I can download, I can actually. This is a virtual machine. This is actually a remote login to one of these virtual machines. I could actually get to any of the simulated nodes to download data. As you can see, if I do that. It is trying to connect. I think this is actually. It's actually doing. It's just taking a long time for the connection to get started. So what happened here is I'm actually, this particular shell is remote logging to this node and trying to download a huge HTTP file, and over this simulated network over to that node. So what is actually demonstrating right here is you can run an experiment with simulated nodes with emulated hosts where you actually run unmodified applications inside, sort of embed those applications with this virtual network and have it actually have a hybrid environment to run. I think it's probably because of the download, the network's being congested right now, so that's why you don't see the video. So hopefully what we're trying to do here is so that we can actually be able to enable some of the experiments and where you can run those applications together with a sort of a large network setting where you can sort of test your applications and be able to sort of tune your applications or prototype your applications, see how it goes with sort of a large network environment. And that's our goal. We're trying to sort of see the experimenters actually will be interested in using this tool.